Hey guys, it's Cordelia here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Play-Doh. You can make it whatever color you'd like, and you can make however much you'd like depending on if you double the recipe or if you half it instead. Follow along with the instructions in the video and soon you'll have your very own Play-Doh. The materials you'll need are 1 cup of flour, half a cup of salt, half a cup of water, a spoon, a bowl. These are optional, but the food dye can make it whatever color you'd like, and the gloves are to prevent your fingers from getting stained. The first step is to wash your hands with soap and water to make sure that you get all the germs off before you start making your Play-Doh. Next, you're going to measure out 1 cup of flour and add it to your bowl. After you add your flour, you're going to want to add half a cup of salt. As you start adding your half a cup of water, be sure not to add all of it right away, so you can work it into the mixture slowly. If your mixture is too thick like mine, you can add a little bit more water. If your mixture is too runny, then add a bit more flour. Once you have all of your ingredients mixed together, you can begin to knead your Play-Doh ball. Once your Play-Doh is all kneaded, you can begin to dye it. I'm going to just dye a little bit here, one color, just to show you how to do it. So you roll it into a little ball and you use your knuckle. You make a little indent for the dye to go in. I'm going to make mine red. So you add 3 to 4 drops of food dye, depending on how big your piece is, and you start to mix. This part can get messy if you don't have gloves, and if you're alright with that, then that's perfectly fine. So you can continue kneading it until it's all mixed in. Alright, and there you have it. You have your very own Play-Doh. This will last up to about 4 weeks. To keep it lasting longer, put it into a plastic bag and refrigerate it. Or if you would like permanent Play-Doh, you can mold this into something that you would like to keep and you can bake it in the oven. I will leave instructions on how to do that on the next slide. I hope you had lots of fun today making Play-Doh, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!